We are.
We are scientists.
We are researchers.
We are mathematicians.
We are engineers.
We are women in engineering.
We are problem solvers.
We are collaborators.
We are friends. We are competitors.
We are community.
We are diverse.
We are driven.
We are confident.
We are adventurous.
We are curious.
We are dreamers.
We are fun.
We are volunteers.
We are leaders.
We are entrepreneurs.
We are student athletes.
We are rocket scientists.
We are engineers.
We are safe.
We are sweet. We are ship.
We are She is Emmy.
We are Goldcraft.
We are resilient.
We are hopeful.
We are interdisciplinary.
We are inspiring.
We are CSE.
We are CSE.
We are CSE.
We are CSE.
We are graduating.
Well, good afternoon, class of 2021. You did it. Give yourselves a hand. For those who don't know me, I am Dan Frisbee, head of the Department of Chemical Engineering and Materials Science, and it is my distinct pleasure to be here along with College of Science and Engineering Dean Moss Cave and my fellow faculty colleagues to honor you, our class of 2021. This is, by the way, Dean Cave's last graduation as dean, as he is stepping down this summer. So please join me in welcoming Dean Cave. I'd also like to acknowledge the parents, grandparents, sisters, brothers, aunts, uncles, and friends who may be joining us online via YouTube at this moment. Your dedication to our graduates has played a vital role in their achievements today. Our students would not have made it today without you. We cannot thank you enough. Let's give thanks to our parents and relatives. It's truly inspiring and touching and simply wonderful to see you, our class of 2021, in person right before us. In our crazy pandemic world, we have been interacting with you mostly online for over a year. Many of you I have never seen in person till now. And yet you have persevered through the endless Zoom lectures, recitations, and design team meetings. It's not easy to get a University of Minnesota engineering degree, and particularly difficult under the current circumstances. But you did it. I'll say this again at the end. But we, your faculty, are extremely proud of what you've accomplished. You, the Chemical Engineering and Materials Science class of 2021, all 144 of you, have a permanent place in our department's history because of the adversity you have experienced and what you showed us you could do in the face of it. This event is about honoring each of you individually. Each of you have at your seat a gift bag from the department. Inside the bag are several tokens to remember the department by, but one of the most important ones is a certificate from the faculty. A certificate, you say? Where's my degree? Well, never fear, I'm told that's coming in the mail, but the certificate you have is a time-honored tradition in this department. It was written by one of the intellectual giants of chemical engineering, Professor Rutherford Harris, who was on our faculty for nearly 40 years. Professor Harris was a wizard, a kind of Dumbledore with a gentle sense of humor, who was gifted not only in mathematics related to chemical engineering, but also in art. He wrote his own poems, and he was a master paleographer, a scholar of ancient texts. In fact, he was a professor in 2 departments at the university at the same time, ours and also classics, now called Classical and Near Eastern Studies. Many years ago, Professor Harris drafted the text on your certificate. Let me read it to you. The faculty of the Department of Chemical Engineering and Materials Science congratulate you most sincerely on surviving the rigors of their severe curriculum and on weathering the hazards of their several idiosyncrasies. So, we hope that you will enjoy the mementos that we've given you as a happy reminder of today. Your gift bag also has your name, a name card, and this is very important. Please take your name card off your bag and hold on to it. In a few minutes, we will call you up to the front of the hall here to be acknowledged as our graduates and to have your photo taken. When you come up, please keep your mask on and bring your name card with you and place it on the table where Professor Dorfman and Professor Mano are, and they will read it. We want to pronounce your names correctly, so if you could make any phonetic changes to your name so that we get it right, we would appreciate it. There's a pen in your gift bag if you need it. You may not realize it yet, but you are about to join a very large network of chemical engineering and materials science alumni. These alumni are a tremendous potential resource to you. Some of them you may have already known as mentors on design projects or as your internship contact. A good number of you have received scholarships with funds donated by our alumni. We are extremely lucky to have nearly 8,000 living CMS alumni who work in all sorts of fields, both inside and outside of engineering. They live and work in Minneapolis and St. Paul, or around the state, or around the country, even around the world. We've asked one of our relatively recent alumni, Ms. Ellen Lebrecht, to give you a short graduation message. By way of introduction, Ellen graduated with a bachelor's degree in material science and engineering in 2016, so just 5 years ago. Ellen's enthusiasm for the field of material science was evident to all of us when she was a student here. She was an active member of Material Advantage, and she served as president of that group and inspired many Twin Cities elementary and high school students to engage with science and engineering through her outreach efforts. After graduation, she took a job at IBM in Rochester, Minnesota, working on the design of printed circuit boards, but soon she switched and joined SpaceX in Seattle to work on telecommunication systems in support of future missions to Mars. I understand now that she is getting ready to move again, this time to Europe, to work for Ericsson Telecommunications. Let's listen to what she has to say to you.
Hello and congratulations, graduating seniors. I'm so proud and happy to be speaking to you at your virtual graduation, the second in the department's history, but hopefully the last. You have all accomplished an enormous amount to be here today. Countless tests, lab reports, and hours in the Amundsen Undergraduate Lounge, a place I remember very fondly. It's even more amazing considering the last year that we've all been through. I'm sure nobody expected graduating during these times and entering a workforce on the tail end of a global pandemic or graduate school as well. But here you are anyway. These times have taught us to be flexible and resilient, which are very important skills going into a future career and life. This year has also taught us that there are many problems with our current systems, both here in America and abroad as well. So now more than ever, it's critical that we have young, smart, and diligent people entering the workforce or graduate programs. You're about to start on a new path, a path that may look very different from your last 4 years here at school. My path since graduating in 2016 with my material science degree has taken me many new places on paths that I never thought that I would be on after graduating. So my best piece of advice for you today here are: 1, to be flexible. There is no mold for a graduating engineer. There are so many career opportunities to explore, and there are so many titles that you can now have, and they may not match your field of study or what you learned in school at all. My first job was at IBM in Rochester, Minnesota, and my first title was printed circuit board reliability engineer. But until then, I'd never touched a PCB or didn't know anything about them. So my career did give me the fundamental tools and the critical thinking skills to learn all about PCBs on the job, and the rest was training that I received there from the experts at the company. You may find that you'll go into an industry that you've never heard of or never gave much thought and have to learn it all from scratch, but you have the tools to do so. My classmates went into everything from aerospace gyroscopes to crush drop roof coatings to aerosols and even toilet paper engineering. So you really could do anything. And as a scientist and engineer, you won't do one thing forever. You don't have to stick with any given product or any industry or any company if you don't find it to be interesting, or even if you did for a long time but you need to change, you will have the opportunity to move around in your career. I think that's much more common as young engineers now, to move to many different companies and try many different products or industries. Building off of that, I would say use your network. You're coming out of a program with a lot of renowned and very connected people, so use that to your advantage. Add these people to your network and keep in touch with them for news and opportunities. When you enter a job or a graduate program or research project, get to know your colleagues, get to know the people you work with, both technical and non-technical, whether it's sales or management or other engineers that you work with, technicians as well. These people will help you so much in times of stress. I know we've all struggled with a group project or two, but it's very rare that engineers accomplish much on their own. Good teams are critical to doing good work. In my last 3 years working with SpaceX in Seattle, I relied very heavily on my team to solve complex issues. You'll find in the workforce that it's not usually just one thing that's broken, it's many things along a large chain, so you need experts from many different areas to solve these problems. Having a multifaceted group can also help you very much in communicating with other groups or to management if there's an issue. As a member of a team, you'll be able to bring your expertise and then also listen to other experts around you and learn from them. Lastly, I'm going to say, in light of 2020 and 2021, take care of yourself. It's really important to be your own advocate and check in with yourself and see what you need. Getting a chemical engineering or material science degree is really hard, not to mention on the tail end of a pandemic and with civil unrest so close to home. So do what you need to do for you. If you need to take a break, take it. If you need to make a change, then do it. I'm actually coming to you from my childhood home in Minnesota, and I'm here in a break between jobs before I moved to Germany. So I took a job with Ericsson. They're a large telecommunications company, and I'm moving to their office near Munich to work on network antennas. So this is a new change for me, a new perspective. I thought I needed that after a year of sitting in my apartment by myself. So I'd encourage you to try things that seem scary or seem crazy. You're young and you have so much time ahead of you to try new things, explore new opportunities, make mistakes, and take risks. So again, congratulations on your graduation. Myself and the entire department are very, very proud of you and admire your perseverance so much. So congratulations, you've gotten through something that's really tough. The challenges ahead of you are going to be even bigger and more complex and more multifaceted than things that you have experienced in school, but you now have the tools and the connections to meet these challenges head on. So I wish you all the best, good luck, and I'll see you out there. Keep in touch.
Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that short speech by Ellen Lebrecq. Now we come to the heart of the ceremony, which is the presentation of your class, the class of 2021. I'm going to be assisted in this by Dean Cave and Professors Dorfman and Mike Mano, who are standing over there. As you know, Professor Dorfman serves as our Director of Undergraduate Studies for Chemical Engineering. Professor Mano is our Principal Laboratory Instructor in Material Science. Here's how we're going to do this. You can sort of see the start of it already. Our faculty ushers will systematically invite each row of students to come up. Please don't leave your seat until your row is called. You are organized alphabetically, and each of you have a number, so we should be able to get this right. When you come up, please wear your mask and make sure you have your name card. You will place your name card on the table there in front of Professors Dorfman and Mano, and they will read your name. You will then come in the front of this stage here where we will snap a picture. You can stand right here on the X, and Dean Cave and I will be on either side. And then you'll follow the arrows off the stage here and have a second photo opportunity down along that wall where you can take your mask off for that photograph. Let's see. Please return to your seat after you've completed this circuit. After everyone has crossed the stage, I will read the names of your colleagues who could not be with us in person today. They may well be watching on YouTube, and it is certainly important to include them. So, with that, we'll begin reading the names.
Sandhya Hofya. Rami Uzazi. Christopher Babbert. Minyu Bay. Sean Becker. J.J. Barclay. Tarek Bustawisi. Daniela Batras Seura. Katie Bergstrom. Alexis Byrne. Emma Bernard. Rohan Kumar Bagchundahi. Vaughn Blakely. Margaret Elizabeth Brown. Benjamin Bayou. Ming Bui. Jesse Kay. Noah Campbell. Juliana Carroll. Bradley Cho. Anna Cramblett. Sarah Ann Chelowinski. Benjamin Craven. Jacob Dahlhoff. Tessa de Souza Machado. Nathan Joseph DeLisle. Mackenzie Deach. Alex Duhame. Zachary Dykes. Jarek Edmond. Viashali Ilango. Mikael Ellingson. Stephanie Feller. Adam Fish. Tyler Gengler. Seth Ginther. Lucas Golan. Casey Gewilt. Nicholas Hagopian. Travis Hammerstad. Mitchell Hockenberry. Zachariah James Hale. Krista Lynn Holmstrom. Andrew John Jacobson. Jonathan Jeske. Anikate Joshi. Sophie Jiang. Zaid Amin Qassam.
Arena Kaden. Arena Kaden. Jenna Kelly. Richard James Klinger. Jonathan Cole. Jonathan Kohler. Mitchell Kohler. Caroline Korinsky. Alexander Kroll. Matthew Landauer. Cale Robert LaPlante. Adam Jarvis Lullington. Nika Levchin. Gerald Lim. Avi Leimer. Emma Lovett. Spencer Mayush. Scott McCullough. Joshua Mendoza. Marie Christina Meyer. Ryan Miller. Ishan Mittul. Shannon Moore. Jackson Mulbauer. Fabio Nerhoff. Madeline K. Novak. Renuka Pultuwale. Rebecca Frances Mack Perry. Sydney Elizabeth Phillips. Hannah Pitchman. Vinayuk Rajash. Austin Reddington. Carly Reller. Mika Rodriguez. Harry Edison Rousselee. Suzanne Russo. Servonya Saluja. Ian Wharton Schmidt. Vijay Shah. Colin Schutz. Grace Patricia Snyder Hansen. Nathan Merica Stover. Samantha Lorena Swazinski. Kinan Taha. William Tracy. Emerson Uleg. Nicholas Anthony Valenti. Brian Vitale. David Wong. Jacob Welsnitz. Annabelle Curran Watley. Joshua Lee Williams. Sydney Catherine Weifeltz. Yap Jiha Lair. Selena Mai Zigsheim. Jack Anton Zuter. Christopher Radumacher. Emma Boy.
Okay, and now I will read the names of fellow graduates who are not with us today. Mohammed Amin Abdghani, Hamid Al-Farsi, Gavin Asmus, Weston Brown, Kendra Brickley, Duong Bui, Teresa Chen, Young In Cho, Austin Choi, Michael Glinke, Brian Irwin, Sherry Zhang, Junwoo Zhou, Hanwell Zheng, Joseph Kebekus, Simon Killeen, Holseon Kim, Jiwon Kim, Stanley Liu, Zimu Ma, Molly Overby, Jihan Pengmei, Gabriel Pfeiffer, Alex Placentia, Christopher Rademacher, Brandon Rizak, Aaron Schlaven, Andrew Schmitz, Noel Schumacher, Brian Torini, Uma Venkata, Benjamin Wax, Harrison Wenzel, Henry Wadjanto, Cliff Wood, Riley Weiberg, Shivam Yadav, Jeffrey Zhu, and Sean Zipsy. Let's give them a round of applause. Well, now we turn to the faculty goodbye videos. Our department graduation ceremony has traditionally been the final meeting between you, our graduates, and the faculty of chemical engineering and material science, at least for the short term. It's been a chance for us to personally congratulate you with a handshake and to wish you all the best. Of course, that close personal interaction can't happen today, but the faculty have pre-recorded some congratulatory notes that we can now see on the screen.
Hello, graduates. For those of you watching this remotely, I'm Casey Gregerson, the academic advisor in the department. Congratulations and best wishes to the class of 2021. You've all had some unique experiences, one being that more of you have met my daughter than in any other class. The grit and resilience you all have shown is inspiring, and I'm excited to continue to watch you shine. Keep in touch.
My name is Samira Azarin, and I taught the chemical engineering graduates in the junior mass transfer and separations course, as well as the senior unit operations lab. This is my coworker, Charlie, who I shared my office with while teaching you, and whose screaming you heard in the background on Zoom. Charlie, can you say sorry for screaming?
Sorry.
Thank you all for being such good sports as we navigated uncharted terrain, trying to figure out how to adapt to online teaching. We are so proud of everything you've accomplished. Congratulations, and please keep in touch. You say congratulations, seniors.
Congratulations, seniors.
Say bye-bye.
This is Frank Bates, wishing the class of 2021 the very best and looking forward to many, many years of interactions with our great alumni.
My name is Kevin Dorfman. I'm the Director of Undergraduate Studies in Chemical Engineering, and I was one of the lab instructors for the graduating seniors in what could only be described as an unforgettable semester of junior unit ops.
Hi, my name is Lorraine Francis. I'm a professor in the department. For the past few years, I've been teaching non-majors in the fall, a class on the introduction to material science. And in the spring, I've taught a class for freshmen in the college, CSE 1012 project-based inquiry. I met a few of the graduating seniors through that class way back when they were freshmen. I've gotten to know other graduating seniors through research and academic advising. Congratulations and good luck, class of 2021.
Hello, my name is Ben Hackle. I taught the graduating chemical engineering seniors in biomolecular engineering and kinetics and reactor engineering. It brings me great joy to say to all of you, congratulations on your graduation. You worked very hard and thought very deeply about many, many problems, and you're now poised to go do great things on your own careers and for society as a whole. And as you set forth to do that, remember the University of Minnesota and the department. Stay in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Congratulations.
Hi, I'm Professor Russell Holmes. I taught the seniors in an elective class on solar cells and energy issues. Congratulations on all you've accomplished over the last 4 years, and especially over the last year and a half, where you've had to face some unusual challenges. All the best in everything you do next. Congratulations.
Hi, seniors and seniors' parents, family, and friends. I'm Rachel Hu. I taught seniors the elective biochemical engineering class. Congratulations on all your accomplishment in the past 4 years. All the best.
Hi, seniors and your friends and families. For those who don't know me, I'm Kim Costo, and I taught this year's chemical engineering seniors in their first core chemical engineering class, material and energy balances, and then more recently in both the junior and senior unit operations laboratories, which are shown virtually behind me here. I have been so impressed with the resiliency and flexibility that you seniors have shown over the past year and a half. And I know that those skills will serve you so well in your futures. So I can't wait to hear about all your future adventures. Congratulations.
Hi everyone, I'm Chris Layton. I'm on the faculty in the department. I'm an instructor in material science and engineering. I'm also an advisor in the major. And I'm recording this message just to give you my very best wishes for graduation. I want to offer many congratulations to the graduating class. We're very proud of what you've done. It's a real achievement to graduate in material science and engineering, and I wish you all the best for the future. Go out, get jobs, do amazing things, and make the department proud, and that will be a wonderful thing. Congratulations.
Hello, my name is Mike Mano, and I taught the material science and engineering seniors during their junior year study 2 lab-based courses on structural characterization and material properties determination. I wanted to quickly say to both graduating classes, congratulations on a job well done. You've gone through a very challenging period over the past year, and you've made it through. You should be very proud of achieving this important milestone in your life. Again, congratulations on a job well done.
Hi, everybody. My name is Mahesh Mahantapa. I'm a faculty member in CEMS and an undergraduate advisor for material science undergraduate majors. Congratulations to the class of 2021. I'm looking forward to seeing where all of you go and all the great things that you achieve that make us proud here in the department. And for those of you who took NatSci 3001 with me, for your love of thermodynamics, please, please, please keep track of all of those G's.
Congratulations, class of 2021. Excellent work.
I'm Professor Nate Mara, and I taught the seniors in materials performance. It was a great class, enjoyed being your instructor, and who could forget our weekend of bladesmithing? Best of luck as you move out into the world. I am positive you will do great things. Congratulations, class of 2021.
Congratulations, everyone. Hi, my name is Matt Nurock. I had the great pleasure of teaching the graduating chemical engineering seniors last spring as I was the lead instructor for the numerical methods course. I also had the great opportunity to teach a number of them the semester before, as a recitation instructor for thermodynamics. You guys really are a fantastic group. I've truly enjoyed working with each and every one of you and getting to know many of you. What you've been able to do here at the University of Minnesota is just remarkable, especially over this past year where you've been in isolation due to the pandemic. I'm extremely proud of all of you. I just know you're going to go off to do great things and be very successful in your careers. I hope you'll remember us and come back to visit. We'd love to hear from you, so please keep in touch. Again, my best wishes and congratulations.
Hello, graduates. Welcome, friends and family. It's been great working with all of the graduates in sophomore material and energy balances, in senior process control, in senior process design, in the College Diversity and Inclusivity Alliance, in the Department DEI Working Group, and also some of you in OSTEM. Best wishes for your success. Please let us know how you're doing. Please consider coming to visit us and future students.
Hello, I'm David Persky. I taught many of the graduating chemical engineering and material science students in Introduction to Material Science, and this semester taught the graduating material scientists in materials processing. Congratulations to you all. I hope that the adaptability and resilience that you developed over the last several semesters serves you all well as you head out into your careers. Come back and visit. Keep in touch. We can't wait to see what you do next.
Hello, seniors and families of the seniors. I'm Prodromos Dautidis, and I taught process control to Chemie seniors and mass transport and kinetics to material science juniors. Teaching you has been a privilege, especially during this most unusual period. You must be proud of the resilience and determination that you showed and your accomplishments. Congratulations for your graduation and best wishes for success in your professional career.
Hello, everyone. My name is Xi Zhang. I was an instructor for this senior class of chemical engineers in process control and process design. So congratulations, seniors. You really did it. It's amazing how you made through this really, really tough year. I want to thank you for being such great students. It was a pleasure teaching, interacting with you, and I'm sure you'll go out there and continue to make us proud. So all the best and stay in touch.
Hi, I'm Satish Kumar. I help teach fluid mechanics and heat transfer. Congratulations and best wishes.
Congratulations, seniors. As you can probably tell, I'm getting ready to go fishing. I really like to give you all of the credit you deserve for accomplishing something that very few people have had to do, which is to get a chemical engineering education via Zoom. So I think it's only fitting that you get a lot of Zoom recordings to congratulate you on your accomplishments. As you go out, please remember the University of Minnesota. Remember your professors. Try to forgive us for all of our transgressions. And I hope we will see you again in the future. Thanks.
Hey graduates, Professor Tranquillo here. Congratulations, congratulations, and congratulations. Benjamin Franklin once said, out of adversity comes opportunity. Well, after persevering through a pandemic to get to graduation, you have a whole lot of opportunity coming. So seize on the special ones, keep on learning, and best wishes in your next endeavor.
Hello, seniors. This is Xiang Cheng. I have taught your transport phenomena numerical method in your junior year. All of you has done amazing work in the last few years at U, especially in this very unusual and difficult time. I'm very proud of what you have done. Congratulations on your well-deserved success, and best luck in your next adventure.
Congratulations, class of 2021. We are so proud of you. You had to contend with the pandemic for both your junior and senior years. It was tough going, but you did it. You graduated. We wish you all the best.
Well, we've come to the end. I want to close by stating that it has been a real privilege to teach you, and I think that echoes some of the remarks you just heard. Collectively, you represent the very best students in the university, and we, as faculty, are very pleased to teach you what we know and to help put you on your path to careers in chemical and materials engineering, or business, or medicine, or law, or to go to graduate school, or whatever you choose to do next. Life will take you in surprising directions, but the bottom line is that our alumni are a very successful group of people. You will be too. We hope that you will stay in touch with us. We want to hear about your successes and your challenges. We know that in the short term, there will be challenges to many of you because of the pandemic and its impact on the economy. We want to help you network with other alumni to find career opportunities. Of course, we can use social media to do this, and I encourage you to join the CMS Alumni Network on LinkedIn. Join CMS-UMN. This way you can reach out to alumni directly and improve your chances of finding work. Our LinkedIn group is essentially a mobile professional address for you and our alumni, and we hope you find it useful as a professional tool now and in the future. Please do stay in touch. If I could ask you all to stand up. Before we end, let me say one final thing. Please remember that just as you have been a part of the University of Minnesota will now always be a part of you. We are extremely proud of you. Those of you that have not shifted your tassel yet, please go ahead and do so. Congratulations, class of 2021. We wish you all the very best, and we hope to see you again soon. Congratulations. Now hear the rouser.